Hey, welcome back again. 164 scale racing. Got some more Johnny Lightning classics here. Old funny car legends and some dragsters. Got some that's well known. First up, we got Color Me Gone. '72 Color Me Gone by Roger Lindamood. Looks like these are from the 1995. Anyway, but it was some pretty bad butt cars here. Got the drag on lady. Like Shirley Shahan, something like that. And we got the Stardust. It's like Don Schumacher. Some of my favorite Johnny Lightning cars. It looks like we got a real famous one. It's the Jungle Gym. It's kind of like an old Monza. Anyway, I think they're pretty cool. Appreciate you watching. Got more coming. Check them all out. Check out my other videos. 164 scale racing, please. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you later. Thanks.